you guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you guys a very scrumptious mukbang. We are having spaghetti with green beans. For those of you who are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that bell for notifications in the future.
Yes.
Also, let's take the time to introduce ourselves. I'm Angie, and right here is my lovely wife Gina. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
We have Mallie, who's 4, and we have Alea, who is 12.
Hi.
Well, I'm 16.
So,
No, you're not 16.
he's not 16.
Let everybody know how old you are.
And you're not 5 either.
You're not 5 either.
But Miss Audrey said that. She said I'm 5 till I'm not 4.
You're 4.
No, you're 4, honey. Everything is all vegan, so
So, alright, you guys, so if you want to see us tear this meal up, stay tuned.
Make sure you guys comment down below some ideas we can do.
Yeah, or
Yes.
calling down noise.
Mallie wants to do a toy review.
I'm going to just take this out.
What? Why do you have to poop?
Oh, it just came out of nowhere.
How many bites did you take?
I haven't ate nothing yet. It's just, my stomach been acting crazy for a few days, but I took some of that drink stuff the other day.
What drink done?
That lime stuff.
What lime done?
That's what the pharmacist told me to take. That was yesterday.
I don't even know what that is.
Remember I said you almost thought it was water in the refrigerator? That citrus.
You ate that?
Yesterday I drank like a fourth of it because my stomach's acting crazy. Alright, you guys. So, first question. Who wants to go? Who wants to answer the first question? Who's starting with the kids? Mallie. Alright, Mallie.
Okay, and now you like toys, and it can really punch you. Or you can watch Mahunji, and now you are scared.
It's not called Mahunji. It's called Jumanji.
Jumanji.
Jew.
Jumanji.
Say Jew. He hasn't enunciated his J's yet.
Jumanji and always and now your favorite movies. Just hit and comment down below to see my movie.
Now, you're coming down
He
below?
said hit and comment down below to see my movie.
That's right.
What, to see Jumanji?
Yeah.
Alright, Mallie. What job do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Police officer.
Police officer. Why police officer?
That because bad guys go to jail.
You take bad guys to jail.
Yeah.
Police officer. Alright, you guys.
You can say something more safe.
14 years from now, let's see.
Well, I'm not taking you away. 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 That is I'm taking something else away.
Taking the bad guys away?
Yeah.
There, yes, you will.
Because you're not a bad guy. You're not a bad guy. You're not a bad guy.
Alright. What about you, Leia?
There's a bad guy.
I want to be a lawyer.
A lawyer? Why a lawyer?
Because, I get to, like, fight. I don't know. I like debating a lot. So
You want to be a prosecutor where they send the bad guys to jail, or do you want to be a lawyer where you help people from going to jail?
help people from jail.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just be a police officer.
Alright, still on the kids.
Now I dropped the fork.
Want to grab the fork?
Well, I dropped it because we got close. So. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, that's enough.
Alright.
Just throw it in the sink and grab another fork.
Oh.
Alright. Bye. Alright, you guys. We're going to talk about our family.
Yeah, let's talk about our family. Let's talk about how, I guess, we met and how we became a family.
Okay. I'll let you start it off.
Well, I can do
Let's see. I met you through I guess a friend, I guess.
I kind of want to hear this.
You was, Leia don't remember when I first met her? I met Leia when she was what, 5?
Oh, my God.
So we met through mutual, you probably don't remember because we all like hung out together, but we met through like mutual relationships. So I was in a relationship with someone, Angie was in a relationship with someone, and there was another couple, and we all just kind of hung out together. I really wasn't happy, I guess, in that relationship
Right.
at all. But I did meet some really good friends, and Angie was one of them. And you was in a relationship, right, babe?
Right.
And she really wasn't happy in that relationship.
So they both friendships just dissolved.
Well, this is
Yeah, like we didn't do anything sneaky or
Oh, no,
anything.
definitely
Like
not.
we still stayed in those relationships, and
We're still friends even after.
yeah, we was friends like during that time. And then
Mama, this was spicy.
was it a little spicy?
No, it was. It's a lot spicy.
Here, you just want
That's
something
his
to drink.
code word for
Yeah, it's
drink.
super spicy. It's
Yeah.
spicy.
And then time passed, and I kind of lost touch with her. I think, Leia, we were at over the one couple's house, and we were Mook was there too. She don't even remember this because she was so young.
Yeah.
So Jacob, the oldest, was there. He was
15?
no, he was not that old.
Was how old?
No,
No, he wasn't that old.
he was like 11.
Yeah.
He was like 11 because remember we was all playing that game.
Game show.
And Jacob was 11. You were like out back with our friend's kids' name. What was their names? The two girls, Eddie's kids.
Kimberly and Rye.
I remember like little parts of it. Like I remember like all
And
of it.
Devontae?
Oh yeah, I think that's his name. Remember those three kids? We were over there. They were living with her grandmother, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I remember y'all were all playing in the back, and I kept trying to get Mook to go play with y'all.
Yeah.
Mook was like,
Yeah.
I'm not playing with they little. Because Mook was like he was like your age, so it's like you trying to play with Mally and a bunch of his size kid.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But we were all there, and we were still in those relationships. And then I ended up breaking off with that relationship I was with. And then time went past. Like what, about a year maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe a year. How was I? About 5? She might have been 5.5. And then maybe like a year and a half later, because she was like 7.
Yeah.
So time passed, and I ran back into Angie, and we started like to become friends. She had just got out of that relationship. I've been out of my relationship for about 6 months or so, and then
We started hanging out.
yeah, we just started hanging out. We were friends for a little while, and then we realized we started liking each other and
Here we are.
fell in love. And then so then we get together, and we had Jacob, who was, what was he, 15? No, 14, and then Leia was 7.
7?
7.
Well, why is not 7 anymore?
So she was 7, and then we became a little family, and then we decided to have Mal. We decided to have another kid, and then boom, here comes Mally.
There's
We
now.
ended up having Mally, so now we're a full-fledged family, I guess. Even though we may want to have more kids. I wanted to have another kid, but girl.
No. Is it a girl? No, little girl.
You said talk about grandma? Okay, tell them about grandma. What about grandma?
Grandma has a lot of cookies.
Grandma had a lot of cookies. So you like one of the grandmas for the cookies?
I need to ask Grandma.
And you ask her if you have some cookies?
Grandma will be giving you all kind of junk when you go over there. Don't
She
she?
sure do. Both grandmas, that's it, that is. So yeah, so that's how we became our clan. So
That's how we became
what do you
a
guys think?
family.
What do you guys think about our family? Let the people know.
Melly, what do you think about having 2 moms?
I think always now I don't know because I think always now I go to a war with some not snow kids and they got monkeys.
Huh?
And they have monkeys.
No, what do you think about your parents? Oh yeah, I forgot. Mally thinks Angie's a boy.
Yeah, we try to told
Maybe
about
when he gets
like,
older, he'll.
start to realize. Because like right now we tell him, he's like, no. He's like, I'm a boy, you're a boy. Mommy girl, Leia girl. So, Leia, what do you think about having two moms?
It's better than one, I'll tell you that. And it's like, it's easier to talk to them because they understand me more. So it's like, okay, I can talk to you. So, yeah. And when I tell my friends, they're just like, that's cool. I wish I had two moms. And it's like,
Oh, your
yeah.
friends thinks it's cool.
Yeah.
Tell you the new millenniums.
Melly, sit down and eat your food.
Now, mind you, he never whispers. He's loud as ever, and all of a sudden today he wants to whisper.
Y'all in my ear. Spitting all in my ear.
So yeah,
Well, that's really cool, man.
Yeah.
If they think that.
yeah, that's awesome. Well, what's that, babe?
When did you first realize that you fell in love with me?
I don't know. I don't think there was like a really strong moment. I think just as time went on, I'm like, I really love this person.
What? I knew.
I mean, you knew. I mean,
I told
everybody-
you when I knew.
I knew when you
Oh.
knew. I mean, you may have knew after me. I had no moment in time. I think it's like your protective
You want to act
nature.
like I knew before.
Yeah. She said I love you first, you guys.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, you did.
When?
I don't know when. Said it. You know.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
When did I say I love you?
I don't know when you said it, but you said it.
Where were we at? You just remember stuff like
I
that.
was at my apartment, get your time up. He was on the phone.
What?
Mm-hmm.
I probably said it as a friend. Like, oh, love you, girl.
Yeah, right.
Love you, girl.
Yeah. No. So,
I see that.
we're normally not crunched up like this, but for you
I
guys,
can
I'm
we
full.
came very close
I'm
together.
full.
tell. Let me see your belly. Yeah, he's full.
Yeah.
I want to watch
People.
Transformers.
Okay, no Transformers. How about you eat some of your vegetables? We've been struggling with him trying to eat his vegetables.
Full.
Had to wait.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But I'm full because I'm full.
I don't care if you're full. I want you to taste your vegetables.
But my stomach hurts.
Okay, taste your vegetables. Well, we're going to have ice cream later. You want some? No, you're full. You can't have ice cream.
Just so you guys know, this is like
I'll have a
flavored
little
water.
bit. I
So.
have a little bit.
No, your stomach's too full. Eat your green beans and then maybe I'll give
Yeah,
you.
nothing carbonated. And then we said that in the previous video that we don't do
But we're
carbonated
still
drinks.
talking.
So yeah.
Okay, you can too.
Summer break. What do you got plans for summer break?
Melly, what do you want to do this summer?
I like to ride my bike and I like to put my helmet on.
He does not like to ride his bike.
Yeah, he does
He
not.
goes out for 2 minutes, ride and go, I want to go in and lay down. I'm done. I'm done.
Mine's done.
What about you, Leia? What are you doing this summer? What are your plans?
Hanging out with friends, going to hot dates, and swimming, and hanging here.
We're trying to get them to do their own YouTube just on the side, but they want to go out and ride their bikes and play with their
Well, Leia
friends.
had a
So.
YouTube at one point.
Yeah, we still got it?
Yeah, I deleted some good videos.
Mm-hmm. Well, hopefully we can get them back up and going, and we'll put their YouTube name in the comment or down in the description. Excuse me, below. I'm not sure if it'll be in this video, but it may be in future videos.
Ew, I don't want that part. You're supposed to eat this. Chew. Trying to get him to eat his vegetables is so
We'll talk
hard.
about spring break a little bit because even though it seemed like it was so far out, it really was just last month. Was it last month? This is May?
It was in April.
Yeah, last month. So, what do you guys think? You want to talk about where we went for spring break? Mind you, we live up north, the northern states. So,
And we went down south.
yeah. So,
Where do we go for spring break?
Go to what's it
What's it called again?
We build stuff.
called? Those stuff.
What's it called?
There was stuff.
Ryan
Remember what
there.
state we went to? Did we go to Florida?
We go to Florida.
for what we see in Florida.
You see Legoland.
Legoland?
I got
Yeah.
this necklace from
That goes
Florida.
Oh, yeah, you sure
Yeah.
did.
And go to run on
Yeah.
an elevator.
I wear this every day,
That was the
and
escalator.
it's starting to get like rusty. And I don't
Escalator
care because it
goes
looks
the
better.
elevator.
It looks better.
Yeah, I rushed it.
And then what else we see? What else we see, guys, at in Florida? Rest of the y'all.
Where do we go in Florida?
Oh, the Lighthouse.
Yeah, the
Went in there
lighthouse.
to eat breakfast. And
Oh yeah,
And
at
eat
Legoland.
Oh, Legoland. Yeah, we
Yeah.
went to.
The lighthouse.
No, we went to Legoland.
Let's see the lighthouse.
And where we gonna see the
Resort.
dolphins and the whale? Yeah, we stayed at the Legoland Resort.
oh, SeaWorld.
Yeah, SeaWorld.
Disney SeaWorld. Yeah.
Yeah, we go to SeaWorld every day.
If you guys have not taken your kids to Legoland, make sure you check it out, because they're not only in Florida and California, but I've learned that they're in some satellite states too. So you can't go wrong. And if it's just a weekend trip to one of the satellite Legolands, definitely check them out. We went to the one in Florida, so we usually travel every year on spring break to Florida. We drove to Florida this year because the kids.
It was really fun.
Yeah, kids love like the road time just to travel. So we stopped in Atlanta, did a few things around there, and then we went on to Florida, and we had a blast. I'm telling you. I think the kids probably bought every Lego in Legoland, because when we came back, yeah, we were kind of heavy in Legos.
Oh god, there's Legos everywhere at that place.
Yeah, now there's Legos everywhere.
They had a Lego pool
Yeah.
area. What was that area? They had like all the Legos filled up.
Mm-hmm.
We was over at the hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you can build Lego things on the walls too.
Oh yeah, like at the amusement park. Lego.
Yeah, that was really neat.
Yeah. Mind you, me and Mally, we go strong on the roller coasters. These two right here.
We'll have to put that in there.
Yes, we would definitely post pictures. Post that.
The picture of us
somewhere.
on the roller coaster.
Yeah.
Me and Leia going, yay! And then you and Mally going, ooh.
Yeah, we was manning up on the roller coasters. Like, when we Mally, we wasn't scared, were we?
Yeah.
No, we wasn't. Let's say no, we wasn't. Not yet. We was.
Was you
No.
scared on the roller coaster? Don't play with your food.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie. Them roller coasters were a beast. I
We
mean, they were
talking
like beast
kitty,
mode.
kitty roller coasters.
These were not kidding.
There
Kitty
were
roller coasters.
1-year-olds on that.
Screaming. I had to calm them down. Had to pipe them down, y'all. But I think every spring break we travel with a heavy item back. So this year
Oh, my
was
bike.
a bike. Yep.
Oh,
You
yeah,
tell them
we
about
did.
your bike. We'll put a picture of it too. It's like
It's so
Yeah.
cute.
It's
Yeah.
really pretty. I like
It's so
it.
pretty.
yeah.
So
So we definitely post that.
It has very bright colors, which describes my personality.
Yay!
Hi, how are you?
That's right. So, if you guys want to continue to see videos like this, make sure you guys comment down below. Give us a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share, tell your friends. We are new at this, but I'm telling you, it will get better every time. So,
And comment down below some ideas we should of videos we should do as a family.
And we can do a
Or
video
just
at McDonald's.
show our parents.
Funny videos as a family.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we can do it
We're
at
down for a lot of
China.
things. As long as it's safe, but we are willing to do quite a bit of challenges. So,
I
you
want to
guys
do that dump challenge where we dump Mally.
right.
I chew this up.
So,
Or like board games or things
Yeah.
like that.
Yep, if you want to see us do those. We'll be putting videos up about our Sunday dinner chat time, our little Sunday meetings. You know, we'll make sure we bring you guys in on that.
Oh
make you a
yeah,
part
we do
of
like
it.
Sunday dinner meetings.
Yeah, so. And we'll have open up the conversation quite a few. So if you guys want to know a lot more things about us, make sure you drop those down below as well. Like we said, comments, challenges, questions, yeah.
Q&As. We can do a Q&A.
Yes.
All kinds of things like that.
Where
Yep.
are the sodas?
So, our son is
down
having,
below.
Yep, our son.
Down below.
That's right. Drop a comment down below. So with that, I guess you guys, anything else you want to tell them today, or
No.
no, just to come back for our next video?
Yep, come back. More videos to come.
Yeah. A lot more exciting things. We've definitely been kind of working on it, jotting down little things that we're going to do. So
Yep.
we're going to do like spot videos where we sometimes just throw things out there, maybe short clips, something that took place throughout the day, followed up with probably a longer video that evening. So we try to make sure we're posting on a regular, you guys. So don't think it's just 1, 2, 3 video thing. We're done. We're going to definitely bring more content to you guys.
Mama, where am I show this?
Shout out to Ghetto Vegans, you know, for showing us love on our page. So definitely, if
Thanks,
you guys,
guys.
yes, if you guys are not following them, make sure you guys subscribe to their page. Give them definitely hit that notification button for them. So as time goes on, hopefully we'll have more people to shout out to. So all right, till next time, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.